So I just received my squishy supplier package. It's my first one ever, and so I'm excited. And I opened it, it's like overflowing. So let's get started. Yeah, and the box is like that. It's pretty small. I don't know how they managed to squeeze it in there, but ooh, look at my squishies. These are gonna be in my shop, and my shop is not open yet, but it will be very soon. And so yeah, let's get started. I got 20 squishies in total, so I'm gonna sort them out by color, so or like by type or kind. Looks like there's a lot of really small R's, especially the yellow ones. So get started on that. Okay. Excited. Alright. There we go. Whoa, there's a lot of yellows. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 pink Rilakkuma R's. And it's Rilakkuma meets honey. Has a wrapper. Super squishy. Pink stretchy cell phone strap. I think it has the license in there. Oh, Sanex. Focus. Alright. I only have 4 of those, so yeah. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these. Oh, they're so cute. Focus, love. My love. Okay. Sorry, I'm talking to my camera. So, it's so cute. It looks yellow on here, but it's white. What is wrong with you? Camera. Really bad lighting. Sorry, guys. But it's white here and yellow. You guys probably know what it looks like. It's a stretchy yellow cell phone strap. Super cute. And, there's a Santa somewhere. Alright. There, Santa. It's very faint, but you can still make it out. So I have 6 of those. So that's 10, so I'm guessing there's another 10 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright. It's kind of these are so soft, like amazingly. So that's what they look like. Rilakkuma meets honey. Okay. So squishy. This is yellow, this is honey, and this one's strawberry jam, I believe. So anyway, it's super squishy, and has like a hole that's like a heart. In the back, it has the license. Focus. Focus. It's not focusing. Alright, there it is, Annex. Kind of see it right here. Alright, so that's taking a long time. So I got 10 of those. It's a whole bunch. I would have liked it to be kind of divided equally, but obviously that can't be, but I would have liked a little similar amount of everything. But so holy, this is so soft and it's ripping. Wrapper. These don't seem to have any defects, and so I can sell these to my friends. That's cool too. So my price is $2.25 right now for each, because they weren't cheap even though they were supplier packages. So I just wanna say that. So yeah, it's original gonna be $2.50, but I lowered it to $2.25 because it is my grand opening. And yeah, guys, so please purchase, please PM me, PayPal only. So yeah, guys, bye.